Hey guys, what's up? In this particular video, we'll be covering how to fix MRT blocked by system administrator error that comes up when you try to launch the MRT tool by Windows, that is the malicious removal tool that helps by scanning your computer for malwares. So moving on to the first solution, which is to remove MRT from the list of programs restricted by the software policy. So we have to open up the registry editor by typing in regedit in the run panel, which you can open up by pressing the combination of Windows key plus R. Then we have to navigate to this particular registry by entering this in the navigation bar. So once you have navigated into this address, here you have to find out the key named MRT or malicious removal tool. Once you have found it, right click on it and delete that. Hit the confirm dialog if in case it shows up. Then once again move on to the registry address as shared here, and here you have to delete any key that is along the lines of MRT by doing the same thing, right click and delete that. So now once both the keys are deleted, exit this registry editor and restart your computer and the problem should be solved. So now the solution number 2 involves in deleting the registry entries manually through command prompt, and this has been helping all the users who are not able to solve this through solution number 1, where they can't find registry keys through the registry editor. So we'll do that by the command prompt. So simply search for command prompt in your search bar if you are on Windows 10 and run that as an administrator like this. Or alternatively, you could go through the run dialog by pressing Windows key plus R. That will open up the run dialog. Hold Control plus Shift together along with enter key. So once you have opened up the command prompt, enter all these keys in the command prompt and hit enter. So all these keys are available in the article attached to this video in the description. You can go there for reference purpose to copy all these keys. So once that's done, simply restart your computer and hopefully that would solve the issue. So in the solution 3, we'll be giving permissions for the administrator account. So taking ownership of the file is sometimes vital if you want to add permissions to various user accounts to edit or copy the file. So we'll be doing that by heading over to the system32 in your C, where your Windows is often installed, and then search for mrt.exe file. So once you have found it, what we'll do is we'll take the ownership of the executable file. So right click the mrt.exe file and click properties, then click security and further click advanced. But here we'll take the ownership of the key. So to do that, simply click the change icon and it would open up this dialog. So here you can check the value that says replace owner on subcontainers and objects. Now restart your computer and hopefully this will solve the issue. So the final solution, which is sort of a workaround, is to run the file as an administrator. So simply right click the mrt.exe file and move on to the compatibility tab. Here check the value that says run this program as an administrator. So each time you would run this file, it would try to run it as an administrator and give it those privileges. So once that's done, make sure that you click OK and you confirm any dialog that asks for admin privileges, and hopefully this should resolve the issue. So make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.